Hello my beautiful people. Right guys, in today's video we are going to be checking out some of the memes that's been doing pretty well on the day. It's Friday, it's sunny from this part of the world. I don't know about you, but let me know in the comments whereabouts you're from and what country you are viewing this channel from. But I do see some pretty decent opportunities coming in, and there's been some memes that's been doing pretty well for itself. Like Catdog is up by 44.8%. Brett is even up by 22.9%. Duco, I've only just came to realize Duco and is up by 16%. Chloe, I've been telling you all that Chloe has been doing pretty well as of late. And we found a lovely buying zone for Chloe, so we are up by 14% on the day. Just like PONKE, also PONKEI, the Chinese variation, is also doing pretty well, as well as Nero. So guys, so for today's video, we're going to be revisiting these memes right here because it's looking absolutely splendid. Oops, what's going on here? But anyway, guys, without further ado, why don't we just strap onto our boots, put on our rocket helmets, and let's get into the video. Hello my amazing people. So let's jump into Catdog. Catdog is up on the day, like I said, 44.4% for the past 48 hours. In fact, we dipped just a little at 39% for the past 24 hours. The price is at 0.0003277 and the market cap is at 32.77 million. So let's take a closer look on the chart and see how it's shaping up to be. Alright, so far we have lost this level right over here, but that's not the end of the world. In fact, if we were to lose this level, I've always had this trading strategy where if I see an invalidation like this, for instance, then there's a next level down that we could be focusing on, and that's going to be this one right here. We had just wicked into this level, which I'm going to demonstrate or show you right now, which is going to be right down here. Reason why, because if you look to our left, this is the invalidation area. So once we do come back down, this will be the area of interest, and we had gone back down here. I've missed out on this particular trade because now it looks like we're going to be range bounding over here, but as we see, nothing but red candles over here, which gives me a strong confidence. Had I saw this move right here, I would have gone in anywhere between these boxes here, doesn't matter where specifically. Then I should be waiting for a move to the upside. Now this would have been a nice move to the upside if we pull out the measuring tool. So let's pull out the measuring tool from here, and had we gone in around about here, and if we held to around about within this box over here, we would have been up, or we could eventually be up by 146% move to the upside, and that'd be a great short-term trade. And this would have been a particularly good short trade because whilst the rest of the market is starting to wake up, we can still capitalize in our short-term trades to build up our portfolio or to build up a larger trading account, so we can start hodling or looking into our favorite coins and literally hold on more of our favorite memes. But anyway guys, that'll be another day to talk about that strategy. In fact, if we head to my YouTube channel, if you'd like to learn more about the cryptocurrency, whether it's to hodling, trade, when to buy, when to sell, how to set up your trade before deciding to go in for a trade, sign up to my membership right up here, because yesterday I have created 3 videos on how to simply trade. But these trading technique, or should I say these particular style of trades, are the most simplest way of trading, because all you got to do is check out this video here on PONKE. Check it out. It's actually a pretty decent video. I've given you the most simplest explanation on how to do one particular style of trading, which is the most simplest of all trades. It's literally support, resistance, draw your lines, and then wait for the area of interest before going into a trade. If you also check this video on Pickle, it is the exact same trading strategy like the PONKE, and also if you check out Harambe, again it's the same technique repeat it over and over again because I've back tested this particular trading strategy, which is the most simplest. Even the most novice of traders can actually become a more successful trader by following these steps. Go check it out. Come to this membership right over here. If not, head over to my Patreon page where you can pay only £17 per month if you're from the UK, or otherwise pay $20 if you're from the US, or depending where you are from around the world. And this is suitable for someone who's slightly above beginners, someone who considers himself as intermediate, maybe in between beginners and intermediate, where you get one free live video call for myself on a month-to-month basis. Plus you get a unique Telegram link where you can contact me 24/7 to get some more support and assistance, where I can guide you along the way. And this membership here would be ideal for you because you get 4 live video calls with me. Plus you may also contact me via your unique Telegram link, which means that you'll be able to contact me whenever you get stuck. But most importantly, during our one-to-one, I will also give you some tasks to take away with you and complete. And then once we come back to our next video call, from what you learned from the task, so we can start developing your trading style. But remember guys, you need to backtest this at least 100 trades, which I'll explain to you personally if you are interested in getting into this one. But anyway, let's get back into the video. So guys, this is looking pretty decent for short-term trade. I reckon we should be continuing our way to upside eventually, but we do need to break this level right here, or this green larger rectangular box, before we pounce our way to the upside. We can quite easily see 10x away from here. The market cap we need to get to $326 million, and then 100x from here, $3.2 billion. I reckon that's more than doable. So let's move on to the next one, and that is Baby Brett. Baby Brett is looking pretty decent, guys, because Baby Brett is in fact gone up by 26.86% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.003429, and the market cap is at 342,000. Now let's take a closer look at the chart. My, guys, this chart is looking pretty decent actually. We're ranging sideways for the longest, and now we're forming almost this rounding bottom from here, and this is a tailing bullish sign before we literally explode our way to the upside. I reckon now we should be able to head our way back up to this level right up here, which is more than doable, or at least short term, for that nice 926 100% move to the upside. And this will be a great short-term trade. However guys, I can't guarantee that this Baby Brett is going to be a solid project, but we can at least hold away from here all the way back to the last all-time highs. Once we complete this level right over here and stay above it, then I don't see why we can't go back to the last all-time highs, which would be right up here, not there, right up here. And that'd be 1,362% move to the upside. Guys, that's easy 13x, but how much higher can we go? Just 10x away from here, the market cap will need to get to 3.4 million, which will be roughly around about here somewhere. And then we can possibly see 20x, maybe even 50x for this Baby Brett. You let me know in the comments, guys, whether you reckon Baby Brett could in fact go up to 50x or even more. So let's head over to LFGO. LFGO is doing pretty good so far. We are at $3.38 million market cap. We are up on the day at 6.23% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.003389. So let's take a closer look on the chart, and what we see. What we see is this lovely rounding off at the bottom. Bloody hell, look at the volume coming in. Guys, this could be a strap onto your boots moments, because once we do break into the zone right over here, then we should see a lift off back into the zone, and that would be a fantastic move to be had, because if we get in now from here to there, guys, look at that. That's an easy 166% move to the upside. So far I've been giving you all of my tokens for the past several days now, how you can quite easily turn your normal trading account into 100x per trade. baby steps are sometimes what we need in order for us to get used to the whole trading life. And then once you get used to it, then guys, you can become a bit more riskier in terms of your trade because you're honed into your trading style. This is just some of the things I've been showing you throughout my whole entire YouTube journey. But to learn more, guys, if you don't want to pay £17 per month or $20, if you don't want to pay £85 or I think that's $105, $107, then quite simply just head over to my membership instead, where it's like $5 per month, and then I will give you specific videos like these, for instance, like when to enter, when to take your profits, where to draw your lines and use them as your buying and selling signal. But anyway, how much higher can we go for LFGO? Well, back up towards the last all-time highest, it was roughly around about 28 million. So that means, but we can easily see a 10x away from here, which the market cap will need to get to 34 million. We can definitely see a 100x at 340 million. Can we see a 1000x? I reckon with LFGO, we should be able to see a 1000x because it's got strong meme appeal. And it's got a wicked website, and I reckon there's any more things to come out from LFGO. But anyway, let's quickly head on to the next one. And that is going to be PONKEI, the Chinese variation of PONKE. Their market cap is at 215,000. We are up on the day of 27.42%, and the price is at 0.000216. So let's take a look at the chart, and what do we see? This is looking lovely range bound over here, but I don't think we'll stay here for too long because I reckon once we do come back up into this level, the minute that we break that, we're going to retest back into this level right up here. So that means potentially if you get in here, for instance, then you could be looking at anywhere between 150 to 100 and what's that? 91%. 191% move to the upside. But once we smash through here, then guys, it could literally be a lift off. But anyway, what do you reckon? How high do you reckon we can go? Because I can quite easily see 10x away from here. That 10x away from here, the market cap will only need to get to 2.16 million. And then 100x from here, $21.6 million. Oof, guys, I reckon PONKEI could in fact be the real deal. What do you reckon? We might even see a 1000x play for this Chinese variation. I might actually do a video of all the Chinese variation into one video. You let me know in the comments, guys, whether you like to see that, if you'd like to see a Chinese variation of a lot of these memes. But anyway, let's quickly move on to the next one. And that is gonna be Chloe. Chloe is back with a bang. It's at $128,000. We are up on a day, 14.52% for the past 24 hours. And the current price is at 0.000128. Now let's take a closer look at the chart. Exactly like I said in my last video, once we do break from a certain level, like from here for instance, then we should continue at least back into this level right here. Only until we break this level, then I can see us continuing our way out to the upside, and this bit here should be our most important resistance, because once we smash through that, then we can just continue our way back to the top. So how higher can we go, or what's the highest we can expect from Side-Eye and Chloe? 10x away from here, 1.2 million. 100x away from here, 12 million. Could we potentially see a 1000x? I'm not so sure anymore, guys, but I do reckon that a $12 million market cap is doable, which means we could be expecting Side-Eye and Chloe to reach 100x. You let me know in the comments. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. You let me know what you think of these memes, or if I haven't mentioned your memes, you let me know in the comments which one are you most bullish on. And if you haven't done so already, give me a subscribe, hit the bell notification, scroll down and check out my last few videos over here, and then I'll see you all in the next one.